Yeah. So just now we have discussed about equi-join and inner join. Now what is meant by self-join? Another type of join is self-join. In case of self-join, you will get data from one table only. You will get data from one table. Generally, to get data from one table, we don't require a join condition, but some kind of requirements are there. You have to apply join condition. How it is, what it is. Let us see. I have a table, employee table is there. In this, I am having the columns e-name and city. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. A, living in Texas. B, Dallas. C, some Chicago. Okay. And D, again Texas. X, Texas. Y, Dallas. Z, Dallas. This is the employee names and respective cities. Listen carefully, in which case we have to use self-join. That is important. See, I have a requirement like this. Display the employee A details. Simple. Select start from EMP where e-name equal to A. Select start from EMP where e-name equal to A. Then you will get the details of A. That's fine. Now I want my requirement is like this. Display employee details who is living in the city where A is living. Again I am repeating. Display employee details who is living in the city where A is living. So in which city A is living, if any employee is there from the same city, then get that employee details. So for my requirement, how do I check? First go to table, verify A is existed or not. If A is existed, yes, A is existed, get the city of A. Okay, take the city of A, and that city of A should be compared with each and every employee city again. So taking the value from the same table, and that value is comparing with all values in the same table. So that is not possible by considering single table. Okay, and you are unable to get that kind of information by using simple where condition. How do I specify where condition? I am unable to specify the where condition. Yeah, now in that case we have to go for self-join. In self-join we need to consider two alias tables for the same table, E1 and E2 for the same employee table, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. So he is from Texas and Dallas. C is from Chicago. D is from Texas. X is also from Texas. Y is from Dallas and Z is also from Dallas. So whenever you are maintaining one alias name, the alias name maintains a temporary copy of same table. X, Y, Z. A is from Texas and B is from Dallas. C is from Chicago. D is from Texas and X is also from Texas and Y is from Dallas, Z is also from Dallas. Now see here. First, from the first alias table, check employee name A is A or not. E1 dot E name is equal to A. If A is existed, means if this condition is true, then check for the join condition. Yeah. If A is found in the first alias table, from the same table get the city of A, E1 dot city, and this city should be compared with all cities in second alias table. In second alias table. Then if both conditions are matched, then get the data. Here I am writing select, what do you want? Employee details, E2 dot star from, what are the tables? Employee is a single table. Alias name E1. Again I have to consider another alias name E2 for the same table employee. This is the query. Finished. Now see how it is going to be executed. See, go to first alias table, check the employee name A is existed or not. Yes, here it was existed. This is the matched record, right? Just I am marking it with star. Matched record. Okay. If there is a matched value, then get the city value from the matched record. What is the city value? Texas. Okay. So here you are specifying equality operator between same column between two alias names. Two alias names means two tables. Right? Yeah. So take the city value from the first table, Texas, should be compared with each and every city value in the second alias table. Here, yes, it was matched, not matched, not matched, 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 not matched, not matched. At each case, whenever there is a match, this is already true. Here it was true. Two conditions are true. And the operator enable the self statement to get the output. You are getting the output from second alias table. So A is from Texas. Next, this was failed. First condition is true, second is failed, not display anything. Here also not display. Here first is true, second is true. Then D, Texas. X, Texas. This is the information generated by self join. Okay. So you are selecting data from second alias table, not from the first alias table. Don't select the data from first alias table. Why? Because if you select the data from first alias table, it will display duplicate data. Duplicate data. Suppose 100 employees are living in the same city of A, then 100 number of times it will display A information only. Okay. Yeah, whenever you are applying self join, always it is preferable to get the data from second alias table only. Right? We can see on the screen. Yeah, see here. I have the table customer details. Each customer is from a particular city. Now what is my requirement is display customer details who is living in the city where Sonali is living. Here Sonali is there where Sonali is living. Let us see. For this kind of query, if you write the query like this, select start from customer details where C name is equal to Sonali. So many people are trying to write the query like this, but this is wrong. It won't generate your required output. Only Sonali information it is displaying. But here Sonali is living in Delhi means Vinod and Madhu is also living under Delhi. All these customer details has to be displayed. How it is? I need to apply self join query. Select C dot star, yeah, C2 dot star from customer details C1 comma customer details C2 where C1 dot C name should be equal to Sonali and C1 dot CT value should be equal to C2 dot CT. That's finished. Now it is showing Madhu, Vinod and Sonali all are living under the same city like Sonali. Remember this. If you are trying to get this information from first alias table, then just a moment, let me try to get the data from first alias table. Okay, then you will get duplicate data, you will not get your required output. See, yeah, now let me execute. See here, Sonali, Sonali, Sonali. Suppose if 10 customers are living under the same city like Sonali, then 10 number of times the Sonali information only it will display. Why? Because in the first alias table, matched record is always fixed. In the second alias table only, the matched records will be changed for each comparison. That's why always it is preferable, whenever you are applying self join, it is preferable to get the data or to get the output from second alias table only. Remember that point. So what is a self join? You are specifying join condition on the alias names, but these two alias names are referring same physical table. So specifying join condition on the same table. Temporarily you are considering alias names. That's why we can call it as a self join. A table which is joined itself is called as self join. Right? This is what about self join.